Hello everyone, welcome back to the Excel Basics course. Today's lesson is all about how to quickly format your worksheet in Excel without having to click each cell one by one. We'll go through the steps together so you can save time and make your Excel sheets look great. Let's dive right in. First, I'll select the entire range of data I want to format. This could be a small table or a large data set, depending on what you're working on. Next, I'll right-click and choose Format Cells. This is where all the magic happens for formatting. In the Number tab, I can adjust how numbers display. For example, I can choose whether I want to see decimal places or remove them entirely, depending on the type of data I have. If I'm working with currency or percentages, I can apply those formats here as well. After that, I'll go to the Font tab. This is where I can change the font style to something I like, such as bold, italics, or even a different font family. Choosing a clear, readable font can make a big difference in how easy your spreadsheet is to read. Then in the Fill tab, I can add background colors to make the table pop. For instance, I might choose a light gray for the header row, or use different colors to highlight certain rows or columns. This can really help the important parts of your table stand out. I can also set up borders and alignments in the Border and Alignment tabs. Borders help define sections of the table, making it more organized and easier to follow. Alignment helps control how the text appears in the cells, whether it's left aligned, centered, or right aligned. A neat layout is key for readability. Once I'm happy with all my selections, I click OK. And just like that, the whole table is formatted exactly how I want. It's a huge time saver compared to formatting each cell manually. If I want to adjust the format later, I can simply right-click on the range, go back to Format Cells, and make any changes I need. For example, I might choose a different font color to make the header stand out, bold the text for emphasis, or center the text for a cleaner layout. And that's it. Now you know how to format your Excel sheet quickly and make it look professional in no time. This technique will save you a lot of time, especially when working with large data sets. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the full Excel course playlist to learn even more helpful tips. See you in the next lesson.